Your BMW isn't just a vehicle, it's an investment. And like any investment, the way you care for that has a direct impact on its long-term value. One of the most overlooked ways owners lose value is through improper collision repair. Here's the truth. When your BMW is repaired at a generic shop without BMW certified methods, it affects resale. Panels may not align perfectly, paint may not match exactly, safety systems may not function correctly, and when it comes time to trade in or sell, those details matter. Dealers and buyers look at history reports. They check repair documentation, they inspect for quality. If the repair wasn't performed with genuine BMW parts or certified methods, questions arise. Warranties may no longer apply, confidence is lost, and that means less money in your pocket. Now compare that to a BMW repaired at a certified shop like ours. Every repair is documented. We use mostly genuine BMW parts and BMW approved repair methods. In rare cases where insurance requires alternatives, we still ensure every repair follows BMW procedures for safety and reliability. When you go to trade in or sell, you can show proof that your car was repaired the right way, that proof that protects your investment. Think of it this way, would you rather buy a car with unknown repair history or one with documentation showing certified BMW repair? The answer is clear. Buyers and dealers trust certified, and that trust translates directly into value. This isn't just about dollars though, it's also about pride of ownership. A BMW is a statement. It represents performance, design, and status. Poor repairs compromise that. Certified repairs preserve it. Over the years, we've seen the difference firsthand. BMWs that were repaired correctly hold their value. They continue to perform. They inspire confidence in the next owner. Cars that weren't, they're harder to sell, harder to trust, and worth less. So when you think about repair, don't just think about cost today. Think about value tomorrow. Think about trade-in. Think about resale. Think about the pride you'll feel knowing your BMW is still a BMW in every way that matters. Certified repair is the only way to protect that, and that's exactly what we deliver here at BMW West Houston's Body Shop.